bus station there aside. So this is how the office looks like. Building, and then there's this me, and there's like this is where you go down. Yeah, this is where I walk every day going to the metro station. Yep. And I'm still not used to vlogs. Hi, excuse me. Do you know where I can go to the Bill 5?
Follow the red path.
Okay, thank you. I'm here working at Starbucks, and now that I have to charge my laptop, it's not working. So what am I supposed to do here? Like, what? I had to leave the house because I can't like focus. I need to like be out somewhere. and now I actually have to leave Starbucks because there's no point of staying here. My laptop is at 9%. You got my name wrong too. So I think I know where I'm going. I'm gonna extend my data because they cut my data. I have no idea why they did that. So I have to go there and get everything fixed. I'll see you in a bit. I'll show you something cool. This guy doing his flat lay game. Julian said that this place is... What the heck? Oh my gosh. You guys. Okay, I'm not here for this one. There. Hi. I'll extend my data.
No problem. Okay. Go to counter 6.
Counters.
Yes.
Very last. Yes. Finally. So I was out of the office for one day.
funny.